Hello everyone, I'm Nishant Singh and my roll number is 20HS20042. In this video, I'll be showing you the Batarang that I've made using the FreeCAD software. Yeah, a Batarang, you heard it right. So for this, I've made a sketch first. So you can see I've defined many constraints. What I did was that I first made half of the Batarang and then took a mirror image of all the lines and curves with respect to the y-axis to get a symmetrical design, and at last I padded it to give it a thickness of 5 mm, and it looks good. And then I also created a mesh and I exported the STL file into the Cura software, which we will look right now. Okay then, so this is the Cura software which we will use to generate the G code of our object. So I have already defined the print settings, the printing temperature 200 degrees Celsius, build plate temperature, that is the bed temperature, is 80 degrees Celsius. I've kept the infill density as 100% because, well, if we print it, we're gonna throw it as well. So yeah, that's why. And also because it's a small object, so we can, get that infill density to 100%. Layer height 0.2 mm, print speed 15 mm per second, and we are using a prim type plate addition. So let's slice it. Okay, so it's coming out to be 1 hour 5 minutes. So we will click on the option of save to file, and then we will put that G code file into the 3D printer to print this object. Thank you.